Hello, students. Today we are going to do a new chapter. The chapter's name is the present tenses, where we will start first with the simple present tense. Now, simple present tense means the tense which shows us the time or action done at the very time. That is, उसी time जो action हो रहा होता है presently is known as present tense. Now, the form used is it. Now, you use the base form of a verb, adding an as to the verb of the end of the verb with the subject if the subject is singular. Now, unless the verb is irregular, in which cases other rules may also apply. So, as we will see the examples, we will come to know. Now, first is the use one action that are habitual or routine. Now, habitual or in routine means where the action is being taken every day. Like the sun rises. So now the sun rises every day. I brush my teeth twice a day. That is also an habitual. You have a habit. That is your routine which you do every day. Then comes a use to general timeless facts. Timeless facts means where you don't have any time for it. It is being done years to years, day to day, every day. Like spiders make webs. That is, the spiders they do every day or they are doing it regularly. Then even students you have to see the singular and plural form also. Like over here, it is spiders. When you are using spiders, you don't use s over here. You will write make webs. If this had been spider only, s was not there, then we use it as s. We add an s over here. So this becomes spider makes webs. Then next is babies drink milk. Over here also, we are seeing that all small babies drink milk. It's not that they don't drink. Every baby, when it is born or whether it's a growing baby, they drink milk. Now, over here also, you can see the plural form given over here. Plural means where many are being there. Baby नहीं, babies. So, babies के साथ drink आएगा milk. If this had been baby, तो drink सुना था. So, you should check that. Then comes our next use, that is the narrative style. Narrative style means when we are speaking something, जब हम narrate कर रहे हैं, जब हम बोल रहे हैं, recall कर रहे हैं हम past events को, या we are announcing out the things that are happening in the moment. For example, so I go to the store yesterday. So I go to the store yesterday and the clerk says, we are closed. He hits the baseball out of the field and makes a home run. Now, he is talking about that where he had gone to a store and the clerk said that we are closed. Now, these are in inverted commas. I go. Always. Now, this is I is a singular form, but you will use go over here, not goes. I goes is a wrong sentence. अगर वो ही या शी है देन वी राइट गोज सो शी गोज टू द स्टोर सो शी गो टू द स्टोर इज अ रॉन्ग सेंटेंस सेम वे ही हिट्स एस लगेगा हिट्स द बेसबॉल आउट ऑफ द फील्ड एंड मेक्स अ होम रन क्यों क्योंकि ये सिंगुलर फॉर्म है इसलिए एस और ई एस लगेगा रिमेंबर दैट देन कम्स योर यूज फॉर हियर द रियल प्रेजेंट थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग right now but only when the verb is stated जहाँ पे वो रुका हुआ है if the way the subject is instead of the subject does कि वो depend करता है कि वो verb किसके ऊपर है like example that car looks old वो car जो है it is a नॉन लिविंग थिंग. सो बट सिंगुलर है, तो कार you will add an s over here. So the car, where we have added s, so it becomes the car looks old. अगर यहाँ पे that cars होता s लगा होता तो यहाँ पर s नहीं होता, then you would have not written s over here, then that would have been that cars look old. Then they think that's a bad idea. They, where there is a plural form, so you will write think. अगर वो सिंगुलर होता तो एस लगता, ही थिंक्स, शी थिंक्स, बट जब आई होएगा वी यूज आई थिंक, नॉट आई थिंक्स. दैट इज रॉन्ग. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी कम टू द structure forms in the tenses, where there are three forms of it: positive form, negative form, and the question form. Positive form is also known as affirmative. Positive form is also known as affirmative. Then this is the negative form and this is the question form. Now remember that in positive form, subject plus verb first form, that is s, es or ies. Whenever it is he, she, it, I, sorry, only he, she, it, we add an s over there, starts. If it is I, you, we, you, they, then we write start. Like over here, they have given an example down. I like it, she likes it. S is been added over there. Then in the negative form, does not, do not, plus the first verb form it's been given. Start लगेगा. Like he does not start. He does not like it या doesn't like it. He, she, it में doesn't या does not, and I, you, we, they do not or don't. Like in the example, I do not like it. Yeah, I don't like it. She does not like it or she doesn't like it. Like that. Then comes our question form. Question form means where you're going to add a question mark over there. Like does. Then does or do plus subject and the verb form. That is does, then the subject and the verb form. Like if it is you like it, so how will you change it, you like it, into do you like it? If it is he likes it, does she likes it? Or he likes it, does he likes it? Like it. It will become like that. Now students, we come to the present continuous. Present continuous always has am, is, are plus your verb and ing. Now the uses are the real, that is the thing which is going on, which is happening right now for all verbs. Like I am sitting down right now. Sitting, ing laga, am laga. Got it? He can't come to the phone because he is working. So is and ing, working. You can't see the children because they are hiding. Are and hiding. Then one more example. This is the temporary action. क्योंकि they are hiding. Hiding सारा हमेशा थोड़ी hide रहेंगे. They are going to come out also. तो ये एक temporary action होता है. Like I'm taking an English course. So you're taking an English course means now you are doing it, but later on you will finish it off. The truck is being repaired. Afterwards it will become okay. Plans are being made. After that, the plans will be completed. So these are all temporary ones. So students, with this we have completed our simple present and your present continuous. We have to do the exercise that I will do in the Zoom class. Okay, thank you students.